Welcome to Teacher Jessa's tutorial. This is my Taglish version or Tagalog-English or Filipino-English math tutorial. Ngayon ay tuturo ko sa inyo paano mag-add na di kayo gagamit ng inyong mga kamay at daliri para magbilang o malaman ng sagot. Start muna tayo sa number 2. Sa mga susunod na tutorials ko, yung ibang number naman. Kaya huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe.
Alamin muna natin ang parts ng iyong addition numbers. Etong dalawa sa itaas ay tinatawag na addends. Etong sa ibaba is your sum. Ang pagkakasulat ng numbers mo ay vertical. So, eto ang iyong plus sign, okay, dito sa gilid. And meron kang line dito, which is your equal sign. Okay, ito na yung number 2. Ano bang gagawin dito sa number 2 para hindi na magbibilang sa kamay? Okay, so, lagyan natin ng dot si number 2. And dot here. Okay, so let's count it as 1 and 2. Let's add 2 to our 0. So, remember, yung number 2 kanina, we put dots to our number 2. So, ilan bang dots ng 2 natin? Siyempre, 2. Because our number is number 2. So, we have 1, 2 dots. Okay, so we will start counting from 0 because we are adding 0 to our number 2. So, 0, 1, 2. So, the answer now is 2. Let's write number 2 here. Let's add 1 plus 2. Again, we will put our dots here on number 2. Okay, then let's count our dots. We start this time to number 1. So number 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. So let's write number 3 here. Okay, meron na naman tayo ngayon, 2 plus 2. So, lalagay na naman natin yung dots natin for number 2, pero yung number 2 lang sa ibaba. Okay, dots here and dots here. Now, let's count. So, we will start counting from number 2 because this is number 2. 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Let's write number 4 here. Let's add 3 plus 2. Let's put dots to our number 2. So we have 2 dots. Okay, now let's count from number 3. Why we start from number 3? Kasi number 3, etong nasa itaas. So 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. So let's write it. Let's use red color this time. Let's add 4 plus 2. 4, then 5, 6. Okay, the answer now is 6. Okay, let's continue. We have 6 plus 2. So we will now again count starting from 6. Start tayo from 6. Then yung 2 dots sa 2 natin. So lagyan natin ng 2 dots ang 2. Okay? So let's count 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Sa 7 plus 2 naman tayo. So, 7 plus 2 dots sa 2. Count tayo mula sa 7. So, we have 7, 8, 9. So, the answer is 9. Kaya na ba mag-add ng mas malaking number? Okay, meron tayo 8 plus 2. Okay, ilagay ko ulit ang dots sa 2. Okay. Now, may dots ka na sa 2. Now, let's count mula sa 8. Kasi number 8 ang meron tayo. So, 8, 9, 10. So, the answer is 10. 10. Ready na for the next number? Meron tayong 9 plus 2. So, we count from 9. Then, let's put dots muna sa number 2. Okay, 9, 10, 11. So, the answer is 11. Next number is 11 plus 2. Very easy. Diba? Very easy lang. Okay. Put dots on number 2. 1, 2. Okay, now let's count natin mula 11, from 11. 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 13. Let's choose blue as our pen. So it's 13. Okay, pataasan ng pataas ang number natin. So we are on number 12 na. Okay, 12 plus 2. Okay, lagay ulit natin yung dots sa 2. Okay, pwedeng maliit lang siya. Okay, so 12. Okay, 12. Okay, 13. 14. So the answer is 14. Okay, let's write 14. Our next number is 13 plus 2. Let's put dots to our number 2. 2. Now, let's count. 13, 14, 15. So, ang sagot natin is 15. Next number is 14 plus 2. Again, let's write our dots to number 2. 1, 2. Okay, ngayon, count natin mula 14 kasi 14 yung number natin. So, 14, 15, 16. So, the answer is 16. Our number now is 15 plus 2. Okay, pataas na tayo ng pataas, pero madali lang naman. So, let's put dots again to our number 2. So, dalawang dots kasi number 2 siya. So, let's count. Okay, bilangin natin from 15. Let's start 15 kasi 15 yung number natin. 15, 16, 17. So, the answer is 17. Our next number is 16 plus 2. Let's put dots on number 2. 1, 2. Let's count. Count natin from 16, 17, 18. So the answer is 18. So kids, how do you find it? Madali ba? So, madali lang yan. So again, 17. Gawin natin 2 dots. Laging 2 dots kasi it's number 2. Now, let's count from 17. Because 17 is added to our number 2. So 17, 18, 19. So the answer is 19.
Our next number is 18 plus 2. Let's put the dots to our number 2. Then let's count from 18, then 19, 20. The answer is 20. Let's put the answer here. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel. Like and subscribe. For your tutorial needs, you may visit my Facebook account. Thank you.